You gonna come out of there? Huh? You're living up to your name right now. You know that.
Good. Now answer my question.
Yes, you are.
What am I doing?
Before Nate was killed, he told me